In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in TradingView. So open up your TradingView chart, and then the first way to zoom in TradingView is go down at the bottom and click on plus icon to zoom in, and click on minus icon to zoom out. Or what you can do is use shortcut key control plus arrow up to zoom in, and control plus arrow down to zoom out. And the third way to do this is your scroll wheel on your mouse. Scroll up to zoom in, scroll down to zoom out. So this is how you can zoom in TradingView.